The roof house, a charming architectural gem nestled in the heart of Lat Phrao, is more than just a dwelling. It's a testament to creative problem-solving and innovative design. As an extension of an existing home, this modest square-shaped plot presented a unique challenge: how to maximize its potential while respecting its surroundings and the limited budget. Looklen Architects rose to the occasion, conceiving a space that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. By adopting an open-plan layout, they created a versatile environment that accommodates a variety of activities, from relaxation and entertainment to work and play. The central courtyard, framed by a towering tree, serves as the heart of the home, drawing in natural light and fresh air while providing a sense of tranquility. Architects skillfully employed a tropical design aesthetic, characterized by a distinctive hip roof with a central skylight. This design not only enhances ventilation and natural lighting, but also casts dramatic shadows that add depth and interest to the interior spaces. The use of steel for the main structure imparts a sense of lightness and modernity, while the warm tones of wood create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. To ensure privacy without sacrificing openness, the architects incorporated a double facade system, with a lath fence shielding the home from the street while allowing glimpses of the lush courtyard. This thoughtful approach respects the neighborhood's character while providing a serene retreat for the homeowners. By prioritizing passive design principles, the roof house minimizes its environmental impact. The strategic placement of windows and the clever use of natural ventilation ensure optimal comfort throughout the year. The result is a home that is not only beautiful but also sustainable and energy efficient.